Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Snapchat error due to repeated failed attempts or other unusual activity. So guys, let's get started with the wasting any time. When you try to log in your Snapchat account, you're facing the error like this, or if you're facing the error like this. Okay guys, and I'll show you how can you fix these errors. First of all guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to close this page. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to make sure that you are using latest version of the app. Now also make sure that you're properly connected with internet. Let me tell you that if your account is logged in other device, then you want to log in a different device, maybe that's why you're facing the error like this. Just simply you have to log out your account from other device and try to log in your account again. Okay guys, and after that check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you need to do is just simply have to open the settings. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to scroll it on, then you have to tap on general. Now from here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to scroll it on. Also make sure that you're not connected with VPN. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to close this page. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to open any browser in your phone. Just simply have to open Safari or Chrome and just simply have to search for Snapchat Sport. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on first link. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to scroll it down, then tap on contact us option. Okay guys, you can easily see here contact us. Just simply have to tap on that. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on I can't access my account. Now from here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to scroll it down, and after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to tap on I see an error message when I logging in. Just simply you have to tap on that. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to wait some second and you have to scroll it down. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to tap on yes. Now after that guys, you can easily see here is the form. Just simply you have to put your username here, and here you have to put your email address if you have given with Snapchat. Just simply you have to put that, and here you have to put your phone number including your country code, and here you have to put the device name, and here you have to put the date when did start having this issue, and here you have to put the screenshot of your problem, and here you have to explain that which error you are getting while logging in. Okay guys, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.